everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are a returning viewer here, thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. If you are new to this channel, my name is Janessa. I'm a 23-year-old mom and I'm currently on a fitness weight loss journey, which is mostly what this channel is about. So today I will be doing a highly requested videos, and that is my top tips for weight loss. So without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. So tip number 1 would be to set realistic goals for yourself. So don't jump from eating 2,500 calories a day to 1,000 calories a day. Unfortunately, that is not sustainable, and what's most likely going to happen is you're going to restrict yourself for so long and then you're going to end up binge eating and giving up. I'm not saying that's always what happens, but most of the time when you restrict yourself too much and you set unrealistic goals, that's what happens. I know for me it's happened quite a few times, so just make sure that you set goals that are realistic. So say that your ultimate goal is to lose 50 pounds, then maybe aim to lose 1 or 2 pounds a week. And then once your body gets used to the changes, then you can set different goals, maybe jump to 3 pounds a week or whatsoever. But if you're a beginner, you want to make sure that your goals are realistic. I mean, a goal can even be to fit in a certain dress that you used to fit in and that you don't fit in anymore. Setting goals are extremely important in your fitness journey, believe me. It's so much easier when you have something to work towards. It pushes you, it motivates you. You just gotta make sure that those goals are realistic for you. So tip number 2 would be consistency. So you have to be consistent. You can't eat healthy 4 days out of the week and then eat trash 3 days of the week and expect to see the results that you want. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. You have to be consistent, eat healthy, work out, just do the best that you can do every single day, and eventually with time you'll see the results that you want to see. That doesn't mean that you have to restrict yourself or anything crazy like that. It just means that, you have to eat healthy 80 to 85% of the time. I always leave room for a few treats, a few cheat meals here and there. But I mean, a lot of people, like I said, will eat healthy a few days out of the week, and then the other few days will eat trash and not work out or drink or whatever it may be. And then they wonder why they don't see results. But you have to be consistent. It's like anything else. Be consistent, be patient, and I promise you your progress will be worth it. So tip number 3 would be to find something that works for you. I know this just sounds like common sense, but there are so many different methods and so many diets out there. So make sure that you take your time, do your research, find something that works with you and your lifestyle. I mean, whether that's following a meal plan, or whether that's flexible dieting, or following if it fits your macros. Like I said, there's so many options out there now, which is kind of amazing. You just have to find what works for you and what works better with your schedule and your lifestyle. There's also so many diets out there, like keto, which is low carb, high fat. There's just so many out there. I can't even begin to name them because there's just a lot. So you have so many sources now with YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest, Google, anything. So just make sure that you do a lot of research. If you need help, you can always find yourself a coach. That is not necessary, but it is really helpful. So just make sure that you do a lot of research, take your time, and find whatever works best for you. So tip number 4 would be to drink your water. Make sure you stay hydrated. A lot of people don't drink enough water, and it's very crucial to your fitness journey, weight loss journey. I mean, everyone benefits from drinking water. So a tip that I like to use is I will drink a liter of water right when I get out of bed. So I'll get up, drink my liter of water, get ready, head to the gym. Then when I'm at the gym, I aim to drink at least a liter there. Sometimes I'll drink a little bit more, but I usually like to drink 500 ml when I'm doing cardio and 500 ml during my lift session. So I get home and I already have 2 liters in. So then my 3rd liter I will usually just drink between the afternoon and evening. So my personal goal is 3 liters a day. Everyone's different, but you should aim to drink at least minimum 2 to 3 liters a day. And last but not least, tip number 5 would be to track your progress. There are a lot of ways out there to track your progress, whether it's progress pictures, the scale, measurements, non-scale victories, there's a lot of methods, so just find, again, whatever works best for you. I just want to warn you though, the scale can be a little bit tricky sometimes, and it's really easy to get obsessive over the scale. I did it for so long, and I was at the point where I would weigh myself in the morning, afternoon, and evening. So I was weighing myself 3 times a day. I got obsessed with the scale, and I got obsessed with wanting to see a certain number on the scale, when really it should be about how you look and how you feel. I realize that now. Do I still use a scale? I do, but I'm not obsessing over it anymore. So many factors can affect the scale, right? Like water retention, or if you have a cheat meal the night before, you're obviously going to be a few pounds, well, not always, but chances are you're going to be a few pounds up from your regular weight, which is totally normal. So personally, I find progress pictures are the best way to do it. I take progress pictures every Sunday morning on an empty stomach, and that's not for anyone else, that's just for me to follow and track my progress. And you know what, like sometimes I'll get on the scale and I'm like, seriously, I only lost like 2 pounds this month, but then I'll take my first progress picture of the month and I'll compare it to my last picture, and the differences are crazy, and that's really when you realize that the scale isn't always right. So just make sure that you don't just concentrate on the number that you see on the scale, but make sure that you look, or not make sure you look good, but make sure that you feel good, and just concentrate on the way you look, and it's going to be a lot more beneficial for you than just looking at the numbers on the scale. So with that being said, those would be my top tips for weight loss. I have so many more tips, but I just want to keep this short, sweet, and simple for all of you beginners out there. I hope that you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and maybe let me know down below what kind of videos that you guys want to see. I do want to let you know I'm super excited. I will be filming a workout video for you guys this weekend. I go to Good Life, so I can't film there, unfortunately, and even if I could, it's so busy there that I don't really feel comfortable bringing in a camera and filming myself. But I'm going home this weekend, so I will be working out at my hometown gym, which is just a smaller, quieter gym. So I'm going to get some footage there for you guys. I'm thinking maybe a leg and booty workout, but we shall see. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will chat with you soon.